this question, we have the circle, and we have A, B, C, D are diameters. So this question says the circle shown has center O, circumference 120 pi, and diameters A, B, and C, D. The length of arc AD is 4 times the length of arc DB. So here AB is 4 times DB, which is this part. Okay, and then what is the length of AD? So when if you want to have the value of the length of AD or DB or whatever, you need to get a relationship between them. And the relationship here says that AD is 4 times DB. When you have this 4 times or the ratio between two parts, you can name them X here for the smaller one, for example, and the other one is 4X. So when I say, for example, AD is triple DB, it means this is X and this is 3X. When AD is double DB, start with the smaller one, name it X, or maybe any other letter, and the other one, which is a bigger one, name it as double means 2X, triple means 3X, but here 4 times means you have to name it as 4X. So we have this relationship available in the question itself. It says AD is 4 times DB. Okay. And what is the relationship between them other than this? Yes, we have the length of AB, all of this is half of the circle, half of the circumference of the circle. And the circumference here is 120. So if you consider 120, you can also think about this as X, and this is also X, because this is the center of the circle. So the angles here are the same. The central angles, if they are equal, the opposite arcs are equal in length. And the same thing here, we have 4X. You can think about these 4 parts of the circle, of the circumference of the circle, as the total of 120 pi. So we can say the circumference C is equal to 120 pi. And C here is the same as 4X plus X plus 4X plus X. You can write them here. 4X plus X plus 4X plus another X. All of this is the same as 120 pi. And this is our equation here. And our task is to get the value of X. When you get X here, considering the pi as a constant, which is 3.14 approximately, you can get X with, in terms of pi, I mean, look at the options here. Pi is available in the options, so don't worry about replacing pi with any other numbers. So we can add them all together. 4X plus 4X is 8X, 8X plus X, and X, 2X, so we have 10X. So we can write 10X here equals to 120 pi. And our task is to get the value of X, so we can divide by 10. Divide both sides by 10, like this. And we get X alone equals to 12 pi. X is equal to 12 pi. This is the value of X. We know that we don't have this only. We don't need this X only. We need AD. And AD here is named as 4X. Has the name of 4X. So we can say X alone is 12X. So AD is equal to 4X, which means 4 times the value of X, which is obtained in this step. So write 12 pi instead of the X here, and we get the answer as 48 pi, which is the answer, letter D. Thank you very much.